Now you should see a countdown from 3 to 0, followed by the reached base case and a count from 1 to 3. This is because after the recursive loop is finished, the function will continue to execute the code after the recursive call. This is why you see reached base case before the count from 1 to 3. Now that you have a better understanding of how the call stack and recursion work, you'll refactor by that means is to change something, I guess. Yes, restructure is to you'll refactor the decimal to binary function to use recursion instead of a while loop. First remove your countdown and up function and function call. So I guess we removed it all.